The benches creak as people shift, waiting. The air feels thick, not with tension, but with something heavier, fatigue, perhaps dignity worn down by time. An elderly man stands alone before the bench. Thomas Avery, 74. His jacket hangs loose, the seams shiny from years of wear. His hands tremble slightly as he grips the edge of the podium, not from fear, but from age and the cold morning walk that brought him here. The clerk reads his name, monotone. Thomas nods, eyes lowered. In the back, someone whispers, "That's the guy who got caught sleeping in the park." Judge Caprio glances over his glasses, his tone gentle. "Judge, Mr. Avery, take your time. There's no rush here." The old man nods again, voice barely above a whisper. "Thomas, thank you, Your Honor." He doesn't look up. He's not here to argue or protest. He's here because he believes, somehow, he's done something wrong. A distant cough echoes through the hall. The gavel rests silent, waiting. The prosecutor rises, file in hand. "Prosecutor, Your Honor, the defendant is cited for trespassing on public property after hours. Multiple warnings were issued by Park Patrol." Thomas nods. No denial, no excuse. "Thomas, that's true, I was there." Caprio leans forward. "Judge, why were you there, Mr. Avery?" A pause, a breath. "Thomas, it's quiet there at night. I used to walk that park with my wife before she passed. I guess I just wanted to be somewhere that still felt like home." Silence. Even the clerk lowers her pen. The law is clear. Trespassing is trespassing. But the room knows this isn't defiance. It's loneliness. It's memory. Caprio's eyes soften. He knows this courtroom sees hundreds of faces a week, but few carry this kind of quiet grief. Caprio folds his hands. "Judge, how long have you been out of work, sir?" Thomas, 5 years, maybe 6. Tried everything, but they don't hire old men with bad backs and no address. A faint chuckle escapes him, the kind people use to hide pain. He looks down again. Thomas, "I wasn't hurting nobody. I just sat there till morning. Sometimes I talk to her, like she's still walking beside me." In the back row, a young officer looks away, blinking fast. The prosecutor lowers her head. The judge doesn't rush. He lets the silence fill the air, respectful, sacred, like a moment of prayer. You can feel the courtroom breathe with him. Judge Caprio straightens, his voice calm but firm. "Judge, Mr. Avery, I could fine you. The law allows it, but I don't think that's justice." He closes the folder softly. "Judge, you've already paid more than most people ever will, in service, in loss, and in quiet dignity." He looks to his clerk. "Judge, we're dismissing this charge, and I'm directing outreach services to help Mr. Avery find a safe place to sleep and someone he can talk to." Thomas swallows hard. He straightens, trembling, and raises his hand in a shaky salute. "Thomas, thank you, Judge, not for letting me go, but for remembering I exist." Caprio's voice lowers, almost to a whisper. "Judge, you were never forgotten." The courtroom is still. A few people discreetly wipe their eyes. Sometimes justice isn't about punishment, it's about recognition, seeing the humanity behind the violation. Thomas Avery walked into court as a trespasser. He walked out as a man finally seen. In the eyes of the law, he was guilty. In the eyes of compassion, he was free. Subscribe for more stories where real justice meets real humanity.